Hello boys and girls, I am Miss Shariah, and today we will be exploring a task that you can use in everyday life. So here we go. For this task, you are going to pretend to be a farmer. Why do you think farmers raise animals and grow vegetables? Good job! Farmers raise animals and grow vegetables to earn money. Now, your task today is to design a farm that will allow you to earn the most amount of money. For this task, you will need to draw a map to show where you would put the animals, plants, and fences. You will also need to show your calculations that give information on how much money you will earn. Here are the guidelines. You have 200 units of fencing to put around your animals and plants, like this one. You can have as many plants and animals as you want, but you will need to have at least one plant and one animal. Each type of animal must have its own separate space with a fencing that goes around the perimeter. Animals that are the same can share the same space. For example, cows can stay with cows and pigs can stay with pigs, like this. But cows cannot stay with pigs, like this. There needs to be at least 1 square unit of space between vegetables and animals, like this one. On your map, you must show the measurements of your farm and the area and the perimeter of each animal pen and vegetable patch. Now, how will you organize your farm?
Let's say my land is 20 units by 20 units. I will divide it in half, part for vegetables and part for animals. That would be 20 units by 10 units each. Oh! But since I need at least 1 square unit between the plants and the animals, I will need some open land here. I will take 1 unit of length from the vegetable plot for my open land. So, I will have for the animals 10 units by 20 units. For the vegetables, 9 units by 20 units. And for my open land, 1 unit by 20 units.
Okay, remember now, the aim is to earn the most money as is possible and have the least number of squared units of open land.
Okay, got it. Let's see. Chickens are smaller and easier to care for than the other animals, so I will use half for chickens. That would be 5 units by 20 units. How many chickens will I be able to raise? Let's check the area I have available. 5 units by 20 units. That equals 100 square units. Now, 10 chickens will occupy 5 square units. So let's share the 5 square units among the 10 chickens. 5 square units divided by 10 chickens equals half square unit for each chicken. The number of chickens I will be able to raise would be 100 square units divided by half square unit. And that gives me 200. I will have 200 chickens in this 100 square units. Now, the perimeter is 20 units plus 5 units plus 20 units plus 5 units. That gives me 50 units. So, I will use 50 units of fencing out of the 200 units available. I need 2 more animals. 4 sheep can fit in the space of 1 cow. So while 1 cow will earn me a whopping $50, 4 sheep will earn me $80 for the same number of square units occupied. 8 goats will occupy the same area as the cows for more money too. So let's go with sheep and goats. The sheep will earn more money than the goats, so I will give them a bigger portion of the land. I am going to give the sheep 5 units by 18 units. So the area would be 90 square units. How many sheep can occupy that area? Well, each sheep needs 2 square units, so that would be 90 divided by 2 equals 45. 45 sheep will occupy that area. For the perimeter, it would be 46 units. Now, for the goats, I have 5 units by 2 units of land, and the area is 10 square units. How many goats will I be able to raise? 1 per square unit, so that's 10 goats. The perimeter would be 14 units. Looks good.
So, from which animal would you earn the most?
If I earn $10 off 1 chicken, then I will earn 200 multiplied by $10 for 200 chickens. Therefore, I will earn $2,000 from my 200 chickens. And if I earn $20 off 1 sheep, then I will earn 45 multiplied by $20 for 45 sheep. Therefore, I will earn $900 from my 45 sheep. Then, for the goats, it would be $7 off 1 goat. So I will earn 10 multiplied by $7 for 10 goats. I will earn $70 from my 10 goats. So the chickens will earn me the most money. Now, for the vegetable farm. For the first patch, I want the vegetable that would earn me the most money.
Good idea. So which vegetable will that be?
Corn! So I will use the largest portion of the land for corn. Let's make it 9 units by 12 units. The tomatoes will earn the second highest amount. So I will make my tomato patch 6 units by 8 units. Then I would have 3 units by 8 units for peas.
I like your reasoning. Organize your farm showing all the measurements, including the perimeter and the area of each section.
Okay, got it. Now let's see how much I will earn from my vegetable farm. If I earn $30 for every square unit of corn, then I will earn 108 multiplied by $30 for 108 square units of corn. Therefore, I will earn $3,240 from my 108 square units of corn. If I earn $10 for every square unit of tomatoes, then I will earn 48 multiplied by $10 for 48 square units of tomatoes. Therefore, I will earn $480 from my 48 square units of tomatoes. If I earn $8 for every square unit of peas, then I will earn 24 multiplied by $80 for 24 square units of peas. Therefore, I will earn $192 from my 24 square units of peas. In total, I would earn $2,000 plus $900 plus $70 plus $3,240 plus $480 plus $192, which equals $6,882. However, I lost $5 for every square unit of open land. I have open land here that is 20 square units. So I lost 20 multiplied by 5 for 20 square units of open land, which is $100. Therefore, from my farm, I would earn $6,882 minus $100, which would equal to a total of $6,782. That's not too bad.
Excellent job! You are a budding entrepreneur. Now, this is just one way that you can organize your farm. Now, see how many different ways you can organize your farm and share with your friends. Have fun!